This video is sponsored by. Hey, you asshole, crawl it. For your previous video, you said that video is sponsored by Chizuru Mizuhara-chan, and Chizuru Mizuhara-chan is anime woman. How can she came to the real life and give you the sponsorship? What a drag, man! First, listen to my whole video. This video is sponsored by Sexy Thighed, beautiful from outside but uglier from inside, Mami-chan. Are you a great idiot? They both are anime girl.
おい、天空のライアーを手に入れたのは酔っ払い相手に歌を聴かせるためなのかよ。えへってなんだよ。
Hey bro, College, how'd you get sponsorship from beautiful anime girls? Yeah bro, Giga, the secret is that I learned that secret from Batman. I break the fourth wall of my universe and go to their world and say, I am Batman! And they give me the sponsorship very easily. Do you all know why did I get the sponsorship from Mami-chan? Mami-chan wants that I should rip off the reputation, the fame of Kazuya in front of the whole world. I should rip him off naked and show the whole world that he was beating his meat by seeing the sexy thighs and oppas of Mami-chan. Mami-chan की बस मेरे से एक ही विश है कि मैं काजुआ की असलियत पूरी दुनिया के सामने लाऊं, मैं ये दिखाऊं कि काजुआ कितना गिरा हुआ इंसान है। वो मामी-chan की थिक सेक्सी था ये फोटो, उसके साथ उनकी ओपास वाली फोटो देख के मास्टरबेट कर रहा था। That damn fool idiot. हाय गाइस, तो मैं हूँ क्रॉलेट सेंपाई। तो मैं मामी-chan के रिक्वेस्ट से आप लोगों को बताने जा रहा हूँ कि काजुया 2020 का सबसे खराब और सबसे बैड मेन कैरेक्टर है एक एनिमे सीरीज का। बट ही इज नॉट बैड एज नाट्सू, द मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ डोमेस्टिक गर्लफ्रेंड। भाई ये उससे नाट्सू से 100% बेटर है काजुया अभी तक। अभी मांगा के एंडिंग के बाद ही पता चलेगा कितना उससे बेटर या कितना उससे खराब है। सो व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट काजुया, the only words and only thing comes to my mind are he is the greatest simp of 2020, he is the greatest loser of 2020, he is the greatest idiot, he is the greatest irresponsible man, he has no brain and he is the greatest masturbator. अगर हम एक मास्टरबेशन का कंपटीशन लगाएंगे तो ये बंदा उसमें फर्स्ट आएगा, अव्वल नंबर से पास होगा और 100% मार्क गेन करेगा।
カズヤって本当にいや悪い人じゃないんですよ。悪い人じゃないんですけどダメなやつですよね。
He's not a bad guy. He's a loser. So I just wanna say that Kazuya, the main character, is a badly written character. मतलब यार कोई अपने शो के एक मेन कैरेक्टर को इतना गिरा हुआ कैसे दिखा सकता है कि उसके लाइफ में कुछ अलग गोल्स हैं ही नहीं, बस उसको एक गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए। भाई वो 20 साल का लौंडा है, अनएम्प्लॉयड है, वो जॉब तक नहीं कर रहा है, वो पढ़ाई कर रहा है और आप दिखा रहे हो कि उसको बस गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए। और वो जॉब करता भी क्यों है? Why does he have to do a job? He does a part-time job in a show at about episode number 10 or 11 as a waiter, but why? Because he doesn't have money to rent Chizuru Mizuhara-chan, and he cannot ask his father because his father have given him the money for his house rent and so that he can eat food and purchase a clothes and everything. But he spent all of his money upon Chizuru Mizuhara-chan, and now he is working as a waiter so that he could pay Chizuru Mizuhara-chan to be his rental girlfriend. तो जब मैं Rent a Girlfriend का पहला एपिसोड देख रहा था, when I was watching the first episode of Rent a Girlfriend, so at that time Kazuya was saying, I am 20-year-old and I have a girlfriend. मतलब साले जैसे तूने कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा कांड कर दिया, कुछ ने बहुत बड़ा कुछ अपने जिंदगी में उखाड़ लिया, साले सिम्प कहीं का, a greatest idiot, a greatest simp. And at the same moment, Mami-chan rejected him after 1 month of dating and say, I have another person in my life. और भाई तुम तब काजुया की शक्ल देखते, मतलब यार इस साले की हालत खराब हो चुकी थी, जैसे he is just going to die from dehydration, demotivation. So after his breakup, he gets so depressed and rent a girlfriend due to desperation. भाई बट इस इडियट को कौन समझाए कि तूने गर्लफ्रेंड रेंट की है, बट ये अपनी रेंटल गर्लफ्रेंड से ये उम्मीद कर रहा था कि she will become his real girlfriend. So the thing is that Kazuya went on a date with his rental girlfriend Chizuru Mizuhara-chan और डेट बहुत ही बढ़िया गया। Chizuru Mizuhara-chan just acted like a real girlfriend. They both hold their hand and Kazuya had feeling for her at that same time. Then Kazuya surfaced online on the name of Chizuru Mizuhara-chan, and he found that he is not her only fan. There are other thousands of her fans because she just acts like a real girlfriend and gave every one of them the feeling of having a real girlfriend. And this thing pissed off Kazuya. He gave her a worse rating and write every bad thing about her. अबे साले you idiot sim, यार तू पागल है यार, तेरा दिमाग क्या घास चरने क्या था यार, तू अपना दिमाग अपने शरीर में रखा है या नहीं रखा है, दिमाग है कहाँ तेरा, मतलब यू आर पेइंग हर टू एक्ट एज योर गर्लफ्रेंड फॉर वन डे, शी विल नॉट बिकम योर गर्लफ्रेंड फॉर एंटायर लाइफ। यार तू पैसा दे रहा है यार उसको तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड बनने का, एक एक्ट करने के लिए, एक प्ले करने के लिए, कि तुझे एक गर्लफ्रेंड होने की फीलिंग आए और तेरे को अच्छा फील हो। बट नहीं, इन जैसे 1000 IQ वाले बंदे जो काजुया के तरह को कौन समझाए भाई। भाई मेरे को एक बात बताओ, ये हमेशा रोता क्यों रहता है यार? He always cry a small thing. He will just cry and say, I am a trash. I am a very bad person. But I'm happy that he knows that he is a trash, he is a garbage, and he is a very idiotic person. He's not as idiotic as the Natsu of Domestic Girlfriend, but he is a trash. He's not good at anything, but he always run after girls. उसको एक गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए और वो लड़कियों के पीछे भागता रहता है. That's why he is a trash. इससे अच्छा तो उसका दोस्त है कीबा. He is a responsible man. He just beat the crap out of the Kazuya because he was not paying attention toward Mizuhara-chan, but he was looking toward Mami-chan. Kazuya is just like a garbage, you know. मतलब जब एक गेट टुगेदर में मामी-chan काजुया की बेइज्जती कर रही थी, at that time Chizuru Mizuhara-chan take a stand for Kazuya, but Kazuya said, "Don't take a stand for me, Chizuru Mizuhara-chan. I am just like that. I am just like that. I, Kazuya, declare myself the trash." Man, what an idiot. Kazuya, are you kidding? A girl is taking stand for you and you just say her to stop, you idiot. And one of the biggest problem of Kazuya is that he just sexualize, over fantasize everything. During between he was beating his meat, he think about two girls, and also that idiots realize who he really loved during beating his meat. In this entire series, he just does nothing, means nothing. A single good thing has not been done by him. उसने कुछ किया ही नहीं अच्छा ना, क्या कर भी क्या लेगा, उसको कुछ आता है क्या करना, कुछ नहीं आता उसको अच्छा चीज करना. Shut up, Crawlet. He has done one of the best things. What the fuck? How a loser like him can do good things like that? मतलब भाई ये कैसे कर गया यार, कैसे? So at last I only want to tell you that he is a biggest talker, and also ये बंदा दिल का अच्छा है, खराब नहीं है. इसका अच्छा से कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट कराएगी राइटर. Just have a patience and wait for season 2. I haven't read a manga, but I don't know what will happen because I don't want to get a spoiler. That's why I haven't read manga. So मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye bye. जाने